Have you ever booked a cheap flight and by the time you finish adding luggage, it costs more than your rent? Yeah, same here. But today we're peeling back the curtain on the airline industry's favorite money grab, baggage fees. And trust me, the truth is ugly. But stick around because you're going to want to hear this. I'm not just exposing the why behind these ridiculous fees. I'm also going to give you five sneaky ways to beat the system without breaking the rules or getting side eyed by TSA or the airlines. And there's one airline policy loophole so shady and outrageous, I couldn't believe it was legal. Let's get into it. So here's the thing. Once upon a time, oh, I'm not telling a story, but your suitcase used to fly free. You remember that? No questions asked. But in 2008, the first major airline introduced a temporary $15 checked bag fee due to rising fuel costs. But guess what? Fuel prices dropped. But those fees, they stayed and they're still staying. And it looks like it's going to be forever. Fast forward to 2025, airlines are raking in over $30 billion a year just from baggage fees. And before you say, but Cheryl, I only fly budget airlines, honey. Listen, they're the worst offenders. Some charge you for checking bags, carry-on bags, and even for printing your boarding pass at the airport. Yeah, you can tell I'm mad. That's right, they're charging for paper. Here's where it gets scandalous and shameful. Many airlines intentionally hide or split fees across the booking process. Let me break it down. They show you a $79 flight, then you pick a seat. Boom, that's $28. You want to bring a carry-on? Another $45. Check bag? Another $55. Suddenly, that $79 flight now costs you $207, and you haven't even left your sofa yet. Even worse, some airlines will charge you more if you wait to pay the baggage fee at the airport. Yes? Sometimes they even charge double. Like, girl, it's the same bag. Why is it suddenly $90 now that I've locked eyes at the check-in counter? I don't understand. Now, let's talk weight shaming, airline style. Most airlines cap your checked bag at 50 pounds. Go over by a single pound, and you'll get slapped with $100 fee. That's right, 1 pound of flip-flops, and you're out here paying like you just bought another plane seat for your shoes. How does that make sense? Now, here's the kicker. They don't calibrate their scales consistently. I've seen travelers weigh their bag at home, and I have too, and it weighs 47 pounds at home, and when they get to the airport, the airport scale shows 52 pounds for the same bag. Go figure. Then boom, an extra fee you have to pay. One former airline worker, hear this, admitted that some scales are intentionally unbalanced to generate extra revenue by the airline. That's not baggage, that's bait. That's trickery. That's bad. And look, that's exactly why I created 3 digital travel bundles that thousands of travelers now swear by, but many travelers still need to know about it. I really want everybody to get their hands on these 3 bundles. One was just launched a few days ago. It's my Travel Secrets digital bundle. It includes 5 video guides packed with secrets and tips like these, 1 audio pep talk, and my newest 40-plus page ebook titled Secrets from the Other Side of the Boarding Gate. The other one is built for smooth and organized travel with checklist, a 2025 to 2026 planner, an audio lesson, 5 videos, and a whole ebook packed with wisdom you'd pay so much money for at a travel agency. And the last one, travel disasters and how to solve them. Think of it as your emergency suitcase, but digital. It has 55 real scenarios like lost luggage, airport chaos, sketchy hotels, and more, all solved. Whether you're a senior traveler, a frequent flyer, first-time flyer, a digital nomad, or a frazzled parent, this bundle is your airport survival system. Trust me, you will thank me later for grabbing this bundle. Grab all 3 bundles from the link in the description so that you never get played by these airlines and the entire system again. Now, let's get to those 5 sneaky ways to fight back. Use a luggage scale at home, always. I always travel with mine. Like, don't even play yourself about this. These little $10 scales can save you from a $100 embarrassing and awkward moment at the airport. Number 2, wear the heaviest items on the plane. I don't care how hot you feel. Coats, boots, even tech gears. Layer up like it's the Arctic tundra if you have to. You can take it all off once you're on the plane, but at least it's not weighing down your bag and costing you more money. Number 3, did you know you could ship your luggage with FedEx or UPS? Sometimes, especially for longer trips or heavy bags, it's cheaper than the airline and more reliable to ship your stuff straight to your destination. Then you don't have to contend with any baggage carousel chaos again. Number 4, book with cards that cover baggage fees. Several travel credit cards do offer reimbursement for at least 1 checked bag, sometimes even 2. If you're not using this, you're leaving money on the table. Simple. On that tray table. Number 5, use this personal item loophole. Here it goes. Most airlines allow 1 free personal item that fits under your seat. But guess what? Some personal item bags are just small enough to qualify, but big enough to fit 3 days worth of outfits. Search for maximum personal item bags in my YouTube shopping area below. You'll thank me later. Okay, this one's gonna make you mad. So take a deep breath. Some airlines now allow you to pay a lower fare if you agree not to bring a carry-on or a checked bag. Sounds fair, right? Well, here's the fine print. If you accidentally or intentionally show up with one, they charge you even more than the usual cost for the inconvenience. And sometimes they'll even force you to gate check it at double the normal cost. So basically, if you try to save money but forget or intentionally mess up with the exact policy, they'll squeeze you like a lemon at a cocktail bar. The bottom line, baggage fees aren't just annoying. They are part of a multi-billion-dollar strategy to nickel and dime travelers like you and I who don't know the system or didn't know the system, but now we do, right? If you want even more travel tricks like this, especially if you're over 50 or just tired of getting bamboozled by the airlines, go grab my free ebook, Top 5 Travel Scenarios and How to Solve Them. It's short, powerful, and packed with real solutions from people who have been there and barely made it back with their sanity. And I'm going to save you that trouble. And before you go, watch this next video right up on the screen. Transform your travel game with this $20 packing trick. You'll be shocked how simple the trick is. And yes, I used it last year and got my full refund in less than 24 hours. Oh, and by the way, before you go stressing and Googling travel gear for hours, don't do that. I already did all the work for you. All my favorite travel must-haves are right below this video in my YouTube shop. Yep, carry-ons, packing cubes, travel pillows, compression socks, you name it. Everything that actually makes travel easier in 2025. And if you don't see something that you like, just go to the search bar and type exactly what you need, and you'll get those results there and you choose what you want. You're already here, so save yourself the hassle and get what works, right? Instead of going somewhere else. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with the friend who still packs their bowling ball in a carry-on. I'm just kidding. You've just been upgraded. Now go grab my newly launched travel bundle with tons of secrets that airlines and airport security don't want you to know. It's the first link in the description. I am Shirley, your channel host, saying bye for now. but only for now until the next video. And I hope you got some value from this. So please share this video with your family and friends so that they can be informed. Safe travels.